In today's video we will see how to fix the Xbox Game Pass games not registering point. Earn Microsoft reward point. So the fix one, make sure you are playing on an eligible Game Pass. So press the Xbox button on your controller. Open the reward section on the Xbox app. View the active Game Pass quest. Now read the quest requirement carefully. Now confirm that the game you are playing is included in the current Game Pass catalog. If required, verify that you have an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Fix 2. Play the game long enough. Start the eligible Game Pass. Then you can stay connected to the internet while playing. Play continuously for at least 15 to 30 minutes and avoid leaving the game paused for long period. Now exit the game normally and wait for 5 to 15 minutes for Microsoft Reward to synchronize your progress. Delay can occur during busy periods. Fix 3. Verify you are using the correct Microsoft account. So press the Xbox button. Now select Profile and System. Now verify that you are signed in into the Microsoft account enrolled in Microsoft Reward. If you are using the wrong profile, sign out from there. Then sign back in with the correct account, restart the game and play again. Fix 4. Refresh the Microsoft Reward app. Close the reward page or reward app completely. Hold the Xbox power button for about 10 seconds to fully shut down the console. Turn the console back on and open the reward hub again. Check whether your quest progress or point have updated. If not, play the qualifying game again for several minutes before checking. The fix 5. Confirm your Game Pass subscription is active. Open the settings, then select account, now choose subscription. Confirm that your Xbox Game Pass membership is active. If it recently renewed, restart your console and sign back into your account. Launch an eligible Game Pass title again and test the reward tracker. Fix 6. Update your Xbox console. Open the settings, then go to System, now select Update. Then install any available console update and then restart your Xbox after the installation finish. And launch the game again and again and check if the point registered correctly. The fix 7. Check your internet connection. Open the settings, now select General, now choose Network setting. Run the test network connection and restart your modem or router if the test failed. Then reconnect your Xbox to the network and play the game again while remaining online. The fix 8. Wait for Microsoft Reward to sync. During heavy traffic or service interruption, daily quest may not complete immediately. Monthly Game Pass progress may stop updating temporarily. The reward points can appear several hours later without without the additional action. Now the fix 9. Contact Microsoft support page. If your Game Pass quest still does not register after 24 hours, contact the Microsoft Reward support. Before submitting a request, take a screenshot of the completed quest. Record the game title you played. Note the date and time you completed the quest. Include your Xbox game tag and Microsoft account detail. Now submit a support request. Explain that your Game Pass quest or reward points were not credited. Goodbye and thanks for watching.